Hey everyone, a world where you can instantly transfer funds across borders without the hassle of traditional banking systems. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, thanks to cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken, this dream is becoming a reality. But before you dive headfirst into the world of crypto, there's one crucial question you need to ask. What is the Kraken e-transfer limit? Hook. Let's say you've just sold your NFT collection for a tidy profit. You want to withdraw the funds to your bank account, but you're worried about the transfer limit. Will you be able to withdraw the entire amount in one go, or will you have to break it up into smaller transactions? In this video, we're going to explore the Kraken e-transfer limit in detail. We'll cover everything from the basic limits to factors that can affect them. So, let's get started. Understanding the Kraken e-transfer limit. The Kraken e-transfer limit is essentially the maximum amount of money you can transfer from your Kraken account to your bank account in a single transaction. This limit is in place to prevent fraud and ensure the security of the platform. The exact limit can vary depending on several factors, including your verification level. Kraken has different verification levels, and higher levels often come with higher transfer limits. Your account history. If you have a long and positive history with Kraken, you may be eligible for higher limits. The currency you're transferring. Limits can vary depending on the currency you're using. The payment method you're using. Some payment methods may have higher limits than others. Factors affecting the Kraken e-transfer limit. Let's delve deeper into some of the factors that can affect the Kraken e-transfer limit. Verification level. Kraken has 3 verification levels: Basic, Intermediate, and Pro. Basic verification is required for most users, but higher levels offer additional benefits, including higher transfer limits. To upgrade your verification level, you'll need to provide additional documentation, such as proof of identity and address. Account history. Kraken keeps track of your account activity, including your deposit and withdrawal history. If you have a long history of responsible trading and no suspicious activity, you may be eligible for higher transfer limits. Currency. The currency you're transferring can also affect the limit. Some currencies may have higher limits than others. For example, transfers in US dollars may have higher limits than transfers in less stable currencies. Payment method. The payment method you're using can also impact the limit. Some payment methods, such as wire transfers, may have higher limits than others. How to check your Kraken e-transfer limit. If you're unsure of your current Kraken e-transfer limit, there are a few ways to check it. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, you should be able to find your transfer limits in your account settings. Contact Kraken support. If you can't find the information you need in your account settings, you can contact Kraken's customer support team. They can provide you with the exact limit for your account. Tips for maximizing your Kraken e-transfer limit. If you want to maximize your Kraken e-transfer limit, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Upgrade your verification level. As mentioned earlier, higher verification levels often come with higher transfer limits. Maintain a positive account history. Avoid engaging in suspicious activity or violating Kraken's terms of service. Consider using alternative payment methods. If you need to transfer a large amount of funds, you may want to consider using alternative payment methods, such as cryptocurrency wallets or wire transfers. Conclusion. The Kraken e-transfer limit is an important factor to consider when using the platform. By understanding the factors that affect the limit and taking steps to maximize it, you can ensure a smooth and efficient experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.